Hello everyone, and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're going to show you how to enable dark mode on the Signal app. If you prefer using apps with a darker theme, this quick guide will help you activate dark mode on your Android, iOS, or desktop device. Let's get started. First, open the Signal app on your phone. Next, tap the three dots in the top right corner and select Settings from the menu. In the menu that appears, select Appearance. Now, tap on Theme. From the options, select Dark to enable dark mode. And that's it. Signal will now be in dark mode. And that's all there is to it. As you can see, it's really easy to enable dark mode on Signal, no matter what device you're using. If this video helped you out, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.